It was a highly unusual head-to-head as the Lamborghini Reventon and the fighter jet Panavia Tornado met to see who was the fastest, the super sports car or the Italian Air Force jet. There's a certain resemblance between these two technical wonders, which is no wonder since the Reventon's unique aeronautical styling was actually inspired by the martial lines of the Panavia Tornado. Pros were at the helm of both high-tech machines. In the Tornado, an experienced Italian Air Force pilot. In the Reventon, a seasoned test driver from Automobili Lamborghini. The venue for this acceleration duel was the 3-kilometer runway at the Gadi military airport near Brescia, the home of the 6th Italian Air Force Squadron. The Reventon kept the lead in the first leg of the race. Once unleashed, the 650 horsepower of the 6.5-liter 12-cylinder catapulted the car so fast that the aircraft had no chance. With an acceleration time of only 3.4 seconds from rest to 100, the Lamborghini Reventon proved clearly superior to the Tornado. Of course, the super sports car is much lighter than the jet. Thanks to its carbon fiber body, the Reventon tips the scales at only 1,660 kilograms, while the Tornado weighs in at around 20 tons. Because its two turbines with an active afterburner produce an enormous 7,400 kilogram force of thrust, it was no chore for the Tornado to catch up with the Reventon and take off immediately and soar past the Lamborghini at the end of the runway, going 340 kilometers per hour. The Lamborghini Reventon is the ultimate driving machine from Sant'Agata Bolognese, and it is very exclusive. Only 20 will be built in 2008. Each and every one is already sold to a lucky customer at a price of €1 million plus tax. The rich history of the brand has been extended by a highly cherished classic of the future.